Hello and welcome back to Longswitch Academy. This is our How To series where we talk about how to navigate through our platform. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, do subscribe it and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates. To visit our website, you can search longswitchacademy.com on your system's browser. Today we will see how to navigate to home section on our platform. By default, you will be redirected to the home section only. By clicking over here on Start My Salesforce Career, you will be redirected to the training programs we offer. Here it shows recent reviews on our services from our users. You can book one-on-one consultation by clicking over here and here also. Here it shows popular topics and courses from the Salesforce categories. You can explore all categories by clicking over here on all categories. Here you can get popular courses featured on this month. To explore all courses, you need to click on View All Courses button. Here it shows trending blogs on our platform. To view all blogs, you should click on Read More Blogs over here. By clicking over here on Watch Us on YouTube, you will be redirected to Longswitch Academy YouTube channel. Here it shows core features that tells you why you should choose us. If, if you have any topic you want us to cover, you can suggest us from here and you can book one-on-one consultation from here to get personalized guidance. Here's a footer page that contains some useful links like gallery page that shows all the YouTube videos on our Longswitch Academy YouTube channel, blogs from here, FAQ. In FAQ, you can see frequently asked questions, likewise testimonial, privacy policy, about us, contact us, popular courses, pricing that shows training programs we offer, ebooks, book one-on-one consultation, and here's our contact info. That's it. If you have any doubts, let us know in the comment section. Until then, keep learning and keep growing with Longswitch Academy. Thank you.